Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. I have made not a vow, but a plan, as it were. My fingers, you'll see why. Mondays is going to be hauls, Happy Mail, vlogs, and now I'm throwing mixed media in, because where am I going to fit my mixed media stuff in? Tell me, where am I going to fit it in if I don't put it on Monday? Right? Am I right? Come on. So let's start with a very, very small haul from the Free Store, aka the multi-agency. Look at this fabric, Royal Dalton. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. There seems to be about half a yard. There's a half a yard here. Brand new, never been used. New with tags, whatever. I got this because I like the shape. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I need to talk to Melissa Mitchell at Acme Elfswork about how she joins things, because that would work, and it could be, you know, a hangy thing with things. Anyway, I got that. I got this because it was a quarter. I don't ever use bowls. I thought about breaking it and using this in my mosaic. It's only a quarter. If y'all saw, okay, one day we're going to look at all my bowls, and you're going to see why I do not need this bowl. Because I have like a bazillion. They have roses in the bottom of them. So I'm a hoarder. I hoard bowls with roses in them. There, I said it. I don't know. Anyway, that was part of it. Part of my haul. Okay. I hope this comes off because I really like the box. Why did they do that? This was $1. Is it going to come off? Shh. Yes. Made in Great Britain. But look at the cool metal things. Like, what in the world? I don't know if some of these will work on my machine. I'm going to try them. But mainly, I got them for their sculptural. Let me see this. Still a needle in there. But the graphics. So yeah. So I'm going to put this here for now. I bought this last year. Bees Move. It's some kind of game board, actually. It's the odds game. So, anyway, I thought it would be a great mixed media because, yeah. Build it around. I have to get my metal stuff out. This is still wet because it was a funky green, like a casino green or whatever. So this is going to be what we do. So hang around. Gotta get my camera straight. Okay. Hang around, and after this is dry, I shall start the gluing, because look at my cool stuff, I say. Okay, you guys, this is my very first voiceover, so please be kind. Please be kind. I'm putting the big pieces down first. I am totally winging it because I had a plan and it did not work for me. So I went a different way. And I'm putting the big pieces down first. That's got a turning thing in it. I've had them for a while, don't remember. Okay, this thing I'm calling the uterus. The uterus does not want to fit. It does not want to behave. I got that out of the sewing machine box. And I am trying to steady it because there is a ledge. A ledge, I say, Barbara. Barbara, you need a computer and some software and a microphone and maybe some headphones. And we need to find Micah to explain everything. Okay. I am still trying to level that, trying several different things. Nothing is working. But you know me, I never give up. I am like a pit bull. I found an earring piece. Yes. Okay. I pick this stuff up all the time. Issa sent me the door knocker thing. I bought the sewing machine thing. I bought the leaf thing in the bag sale at the Idea store. I got that little badge at the Idea store. Another sewing machine part. I like the arrow sitting on that hasp because it reminds me like the American pickers would look up and say, I want that one. Like it's a sign, but it's all, ain't got no light bulbs in it. Because it has no rhinestones left. Okay, I am trying to fit that uterus in, I'm telling ya. Okay, can I stop after this? Because why is there a blank space there? Okay, I don't know if I fixed it or not. Yeah, that was the blip in the matrix there. Okay, this is me singing Paper Bag, and I don't know how loud it is because I should probably have some headphones on. But they're like clear in the other room and they're all dusty. Okay, so at this point, I'm still thinking I'm going to paint it all black. That buckle was too big. The uterus does not fit. Glue the star down better. Turn the star. There you go. Piece of a Monopoly game. Artillery. That is a money bags from some game. Okay, now it's the running commentary on what I'm gluing down. Okay, the train looks funky. Trust me, I'm a professional. I got the badge at the Idea store. I think that was an earring going into the watch. Oh, look, I finally noticed it was crooked. Looking for stuff. These are little guys I got at the Idea store. They did not want to play well. I will probably have to re-glue them. A tiny skull by the cell phone. Everybody loved the cell phone and the little piece that Barbara has. And I found another one in my stuff. Okay, that is a grenade. It is too large and too violent anyway. A piece of chain. I had a bird cage hanging off of that for a while, for like a week, till the big wind blew it down. I made that little pendant thing a long time ago. I don't remember why. I'm off looking for stuff. If you look in that handle thing, you can see my reflection. Oh, the song is over. It's just me now. Sorry. That's an actual ring. That's a battery I would later regret. That is a jack from Beau's mother. That is a charm I made. That is the uterus that still does not fit anywhere. Pound it as much as you like. It is not going to fit. This is not Russian space station. That is a piece of a necklace. This is a bottle cap that has a Star Wars-like emblem on the top. And I think we're almost done. I'm gluing that arrow down again. Okay, we're done. Okay, this is where I ended up. I'm going to hit, okay, I painted the stars black, the train black. I kind of hit this down here. I don't know why that looks blue, but I guess I'm going to leave it. There's a little bit of green in the cameo, but I want to hit these with some gold. Okay, because I've decided for right now I am not going to paint it. Okay, these things are a problem because they do this, like if you do this they come down and the number shows. So pardon my flabby arm, I have this kind of stuff. Not feeling those. Okay, a brown. Sorry about that. Sorry, so sorry, so sorry. Did I drop one in there? One of these things is not like the other. So I don't know. I don't know. This is up in the air too. Oh my gosh, maybe some Indian beads. That would be cool. Just like hitting the glue. Hitting the glue with gold. Okay, now this is important. It has to cure. It has to dry flat for several days. Several days. So put it up and leave it alone. And we will revisit it. I'm going to kind of do a poll on whether I should paint it or not. But I'm saying no. I think it's just fine. So, thank you for watching Mixed Media Monday, along with, yeah, you know, all those things. I guess I could have done a close-up. Why is there always a skull? I'm running out, so. I need small metal things to glue. You want to see one of these bad boys in action? Fascinating. Should I? If I do that, it gets that, but well, I don't know. I found 2 pairs of earrings. Oy vey.